Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to attach sleeves to this short top. I have finished this dress without sleeves and I have already finished the sleeves like this. Okay, now I will show you, my friends have requested to show them that to upload a video to how to attach the sleeves. So in this video I am going to show you how to attach the sleeves, and already I have uploaded the video for this short top, and I will be giving the link on the description. If you want to see that, you can go through that and make this dress, and then we will attach the sleeves. So here I have attached the sleeves on one side here. See, this is the sleeves I have attached. It's a short sleeve. If you want to attach a long one, you can do that. I will show you how to make the sleeves on this side. I have already done on one side, and I will show you how to make it on the other side. So you shouldn't be starting from the corner here. You should leave the corner and go into the back side, a little bit upper side, and insert the needle in between two picots there. Okay. So I am going to insert in between two picots. It's because that I have already finished the sleeves. Otherwise you have to just start with the picot. With single crochet from any point. So I am going to make 7 chains and single crochet into the middle space of the two picots there, and a single crochet. Again 7 chains and single crochet into the next space in between two picots, the middle space between, into the middle of two picots. Single crochet, again chain 7, and single crochet into the space between the two picots, in the middle space between the two picots. Like this I will complete this row. You can see the picots came into the middle of that loops. Okay, so I will complete that and come back. Now we have reached the last point here. So I am going to make a chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and single crochet into the middle space there. And now we are going to close the row here. Okay, for that I will make 3 chains and a triple crochet and attach a triple crochet into the base of the very first chain there. That's the very first single crochet we made in the beginning. Okay, I will complete that row with a triple crochet there. Okay, that is chain 3 and a triple crochet. Now we got a loop there, and the next row we have to start from the middle of the loop. Okay, that's the 4th chain of the loop. Here I have closed this row in such a way that automatically we reach the peak of the loop, that will be almost around the 4th chain of the loop. Okay, now we have to make a picot onto the peak of the loop. So I make 3 chains and insert the needle in the base. There is 2 strands there. Insert the needle in the strands there and make a single crochet. Now we got a picot there. Now again chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and into the middle of the next loop, that is the 4th chain of the loop. I am going to insert the needle in the 4th chain of the loop and a single crochet, continuing with 3 chains, and insert the needle in the same chain there and make a single crochet. So you got a picot again there. See, now again chain 7, 6 and 7, and now insert the needle into the fourth chain there. That's a middle chain, and pull the yarn and complete a single crochet. Continue with 3 chains and insert the needle into the same chain there, that's the fourth chain there, and close it with a single crochet. See, again we made a peacock there. So like this I will complete this row, and again into the center we are making peacocks into the center of this loop, and like this I will complete the row and come back. Okay, so I have completed that row, that second row with peacocks here. See, and now like the previous row I am going to make 3 chains and a triple crochet. Sorry, here we have to make a peacock here, and now continuing with 3 chains, 1 2 3, and triple crochet into the base of the peacock. Okay, into the base of the peacock. See, we have done the loop there and we have got the peacock on the center. Here also we are going to insert the needle into the base of the peacock and complete a triple crochet. See, again we are starting from the middle of the loop. Okay, in the middle point here, like this we have to make the chains and go into the middle of the loop here. Here also we have automatically reached the middle of the loop. So again we are continuing with 3 chains and come back to the base. We have two strands there. Insert the needle in the 2 strands there and complete a single crochet. See, we have got the peacock in the middle of the loop. Now again continuing with 7 chains and peacock and a single crochet into the middle chain here, that is the 4th chain, single crochet, continuing with chains and single crochet into the same point. So we got a peacock there. See, like this I'll be making some 7 or 8 rows like this, and after completing that I will come back. Okay, 7 or 8 rows will be, I'm making a short sleeve, so 7 or 8 loops there. Now I have completed that sleeve with a short sleeve with if you want to make it longer you can add more rows and make it a long sleeve. Here I have made only a short sleeve, that is some 8 rows here, and I have completed that. And you can make, if you want to make a longer one you can add more rows and make a longer sleeve, that's up to you. Okay, now we have to close, we have to finish the edges here. Okay, so we are going to close the round with triple crochet, chain 3 and a triple crochet. Now I will continue with 3 more chains there and into the base of the peacock I am going to make a slip stitch. Slip stitch. I have completed that row. Okay, now I am going into the next loop there, into the next loop here. Now I have to start with double crochet, so I am going into that loop with a slip stitch, and the peacock will be there, and I am going to continue with double crochets. 4 double crochets into each loop there, 2, 3 and 4. Now I am going into the next loop here. Okay, into the next loop again I am going to work 4 double crochets. 2, 3 and 4. See, again into the next loop again 4 double crochets. 3 and 4. See, like this I will complete the round. Okay, we'll complete the round and come back, and we'll close the round with a slip stitch here. Okay, now I have completed that round. See, and I'm going to slip stitch into the very first chain there. Okay, so this is how I've completed the sleeve. This is a short sleeve. See, we have sleeves on both sides. See, this is actually a very simple sleeves, simple pattern here. You can attach this sleeves to any tops that you make. Okay, it's a very simple one. If you want to make this pattern, you want to repeat this pattern, it's okay, but it's not so good, not so good for a sleeve. That's why I have chosen this pattern for sleeves, and this is suitable for almost all type of stitches. It suits for sleeves. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time with another video. Thank you.